Hi creators! In this video we want to share with you easy and quick methods to convert an MKV video file to an MP4 file. Why do we need to do that? Well, it turns out that MP4 is the most popular used video format. Most players and editing softwares require a video file be in MP4 format, while MKV file can't always be compatible with the software or device we use. So we might need to convert it for this reason or whatever the reason it is. We are gonna give you fairly easy methods to convert MKV to MP4, or convert to any other video formats as well. Now let's get started. We are going to use HitPaw Video Converter. It is one of the best video toolbox that can provide great assistance for video making. So once we have installed the software on the desktop, this is the Mac OS version, there's also a Windows version. In the Convert module, we want to import these MKV files to the converter. The converter supports batch processing, so we are able to import as many videos as we like and change their format altogether. The built-in player allows us to preview the video, and these parameters displays the basic information of each video. Then what we want to do is to select the output format. Here are a great amount of media formats, not only for videos, but also for audios, different devices, and different social video types. It contains almost all kinds of media formats we can use. So whether we want to convert MKV to MP4 or to any other formats is totally piece of cake, and vice versa. Of course, assign format for each video can also be done. In the end, click Convert All. The completed video will be listed in the converted area. All MKV files have now become MP4 files. The converter also has many other cool functions for video creators. If you guys are interested in it, check out the link in the description to free download and explore it yourselves. We hope you find this video useful. And if it does, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more contents like this. Any other methods and suggestions are welcome in the comment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you next time.